Hi there, it's Carol with Carolbcrafts. I'm excited to share with you my March Create Club kit, which includes the materials you'll need to make all of these 6 projects plus a bonus project that we'll be making in our Facebook group, Cut Stamp Create Club, the last Wednesday of the month. The complete club kit includes the Amazing Life stamps and the rectangle stitched framelits dies, and the materials that you'll need to make these 6 projects plus the bonus project. The cost of the complete kit is $70.50. If you just like the materials kit, the cost of the materials kit is $24. If you're interested in taking my March Create Club kit, email me at carolbcrafts@hotmail.com and I will send you an invoice along with a list of other supplies that you'll need to make these projects. So there's several different types of projects here. The first project we have is a pocket fold card, and inside the pocket fold you can either make it into a gift card holder, or you could leave this section off and just make it into a little different type of design of card that you could send. This is one of those triple layer cards, and we have a beautiful inside there. We used some of that beautiful DSP. These projects are centered around a needlepoint Nook DSP that's available in the Occasions catalog here in 2019. This is a Joy fold card, and it is really not as hard to make as you might think, and it just tucks underneath that little butterfly. Now the elements that are not that you can't make with the bundle will be included in the kits, such as these little butterflies here. Next we have a gatefold card. This one's a little different. This is a very floral kind of country floral type look, but then I wanted something a little different, so we could use this for a more masculine look, or something maybe that is not so frilly and frou-frou. So happy to have you in my life. Happy birthday. But you can make that to say anything that you like. Then we have this, just a simple birthday card. Life's too short to say no to cake. I never say no to cake. But this is a cute little saying. And then this last item here is a internet password book, like an address book you would use for addresses. You use it for web addresses, and it has a place. There's alphabetical order, like these are the K's. You could put the web address, your username or login, your password, your security question, and any notes. And then of course I put mine in pencil because we change our passwords quite often. But this is something that I thought would be nice to do. Now, this is with the blue butterfly paper, but if you would prefer, you'll also have the option, if you are a pink lover like me. Whoops, everything's coming apart here. You might want to do the pink option, which I think is kind of gorgeous too. So you'll have the choice. You'll get the butterflies for both colors, and that will be your decision to make. Now the bonus project is a surprise project, so you won't know what that is until, maybe a day or two before that we actually do the project. So you've seen the project, so let's take a look at what comes in the kit. For your DSP, you will get 6 by 12 sheets of the needlepoint Nook DSP, and of course it's double-sided. It has a more subtle look on the back, more patterned look, and then you have a more floral look here in the front. Now the cardstock that you'll get 12 sheets. There's Highland Heather, Gorgeous Grape, Very Vanilla, Grapefruit Grove, Old Olive, Sahara Sand, Night of Navy. You actually get 2 of those. Berry Burst, Basic Black, Poppy Parade, and then here's your second Night of Navy. And then you do get 2 sheets of the thick Very Vanilla, and I cut them for you because I don't want you to get them mixed up with the regular Very Vanilla. So I went ahead and cut them for you so you will know that's your thick Very Vanilla. You'll get a yard of each of these ribbons. We have the Berry Burst Ruffled Ribbon. We have the Night of Navy Gingham Ribbon and the Daffodil Delight Double Stitched Ribbon. You'll get a yard each of those. For your embellishments, you'll get 2 rolls of the Pearl Basic Jewels, 3 rolls of the Happiness Blooms enamel dots, and then you'll get some die cuts from me, the butterflies. You'll get a couple of Night of Navy, 1 Berry Burst, some Balmy Blue, and Melon Mambo, and then some of your gorgeous grape butterflies. And then you get a yard of the Old Olive linen thread that's in the Occasions catalog. So each Create Club kit is guaranteed to contain a minimum of $15 retail in product. And in this kit you will get a book, one of the blank books to cover and make your own will be also included in this kit. And then the Amazing Life bundle, which is Amazing Life stamps and the rectangle stitch framelits. So if you get the kit, complete kit, it's $70.50. It's available through March 15th. If you want just the materials kit, which also includes the little booklet for your passwords, it is $24, and it's also available till March 15th. So whichever you prefer, email me at carolbcrafts@hotmail.com, and I'll be glad to send you the information that you need, plus the links to purchase through PayPal. So just briefly, the inks that you'll need are Old Olive, Grapefruit Grove, Night of Navy, Gorgeous Grape, and then the Memento Tuxedo Black. For your Stampin' blends, you'll need the dark Poppy Parade, the dark light Highland Heather, dark Balmy Blue, light Old Olive, light Petal Pink, and dark Daffodil Delight. And if you need to add any of these items to your order, you can do that at no additional shipping or tax. Now, because we are a club, there are basic items that you'll need to have on hand for just about every club kit that we do. And that one is the Layering Circles framelits dies, and another is the Stitch Shapes framelits dies. And again, you can add these to your order if you'd like. And then the other thing that we ask that you have is the regular Whisper White and thick Whisper White cardstock, because this is basic paper crafting materials, and we'd like to have you purchase those on your own so that the kit can have the more fun stuff like the color cardstock and the embellishments and paper and whatnot. So I hope you're excited about the March Amazing Life Create Club kit. It will be available through March 15th. If you'd like to purchase this or would like more information, email me at carolbcrafts@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye now.